Spring is here, the weather is great, and the soil temperatures are warming up. Now is the time to start thinking about what you're going to be planting for your spring and summer garden, you guys. Now is the time. Go ahead, you can do it. First of all, I'm starting some beetroot crops. What that means is crops that grow under the soil that can take cool weather and some warm weather. Over here we have beets, we have turnips, and we have radishes. These things will grow through the spring into the summer, and then we'll transplant other plants in their spot. These are things that you can start right now in your garden while the weather is still starting to warm up. I use these basic stakes to separate my rows. That way, I'll know exactly what's growing in each row. Once they get tall enough, I'll remove these stakes so the bulbs can increase. So just use your marker. You don't have to put a label in each and every spot. Just find what you have and make it work. And what I like to do is after I separate my rows, I like to think about what I'm going to plant next, you guys. Always succession plant. Think ahead of the game. If you plant something today, plant it again in 3 weeks. Just in case it doesn't make it, you have a backup plan. And over here, as you can see, we've had things growing all winter long. We have garlic, we have cabbage. These things are coming to an end. And as we wrap up our gardening season with our cool weather crops, we want to think ahead and plant some of our summer squash and zucchinis, cucumbers, things that can vine. You don't have to have your vining plants directly in your raised bed or your earth bed. You can run them up a trellis. Yes, trellis growing will save you a lot of space and it'll be easier on your back when you go to harvest, okay? Now, the other benefit to doing that is the leafy vines are going to give us shady spots in this area. We can grow lettuces and any type of leafy greens that really, they don't like the really hot weather, but you can make it work if you give them some shade. So don't forget, take the space that you have and make it work. Whether you're growing in the summer, spring, winter, or fall, there's always something that you can be planting right now. Design your garden, think about it, and grow what you love to grow. Live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat it, okay?